Don't you just hate it when you back up and you can't see a damn thing because you're in a sports car with no visibility? Wondering if you're gonna hit a little kid, a little granny. Well, we got you covered.
What's up, underdogs? It's me, your boy Eric, and welcome back to the channel. And if it's your first time watching one of these videos, I do Nissan 370Z and Subaru Crosstrek content. Two totally different vehicles, one for off-roading and one for street. You know the gist. Alright, we're doing a mod in the Z. Finally, I've been busy with the Crosstrek. It had a lot of love, I think. One thing I hate about the Z is that it doesn't have a lot of visibility. I mean, it's a sports car, I don't know. There's not a lot of convenience or safety to it. It looks great, not gonna lie. The power plant, cool. The community, you know, sometimes great. Okay, to be fair, I have a base 370Z. It doesn't have a lot of those things that you would find on a Sport Tech trim or a Nismo. Since I've upgraded my head unit, I think it's time to install a rear view camera so that I can properly see when I'm backing up. So let's get to it. As usual, it's windy, it's sunny. We have our little doohickey. So this actually replaces the license plate light housing into this. So this has a camera built in, and then you have your power and your video cables in here and whatnot. Here is the main concept right there. So as you can see, it's easy, you know, plug things in, that's all. But the problem is routing the wires. And I've been trying to find a perfect video for this, but they're all just kind of meh. So I'll try to be detailed with routing the power and video cable. All right. So to start this project, you got to remove the carpet and the foam mat so you can have access to these clips. There will be 4 of them on each corner. Just pry them out and make sure you keep them. And after removing all those 4, you are going to pry out the light housing and unplug the bulb. And after removing that, you will have to remove the weather trim on just one side, don't worry. And you will have to pry out the panel closest to you. So there will be one clip holding the driver interior hatch. And feel free to pull it towards the middle and boom, and you will have to remove this cover. There will be 2 mils holding the top part of the taillight and an 8 mil at the back. And after that, just pull towards you, boom, and unclip the harness. And now we're going to replace the old license plate light housing with the new one with the camera, and we're going to feed the wires up and then catch it from behind the bumper. So here's what I've done. I replaced the OEM license plate light housing into this new one with a camera on. We routed the wires underneath and into that grommet, and I tapped the appropriate wires. These power wires for the camera and another red wire for the reverse signal, and then our video wire going through around. And so now we're going to remove the 10 mil holding the driver's side interior. And And after removing that, you will proceed to the inside where you will. Okay, so we got to remove this. Take this rubber off. Boom. So after that, pull your seat forward so you can access the panel. But before you do that, you will need to remove this part. I don't know what it's called. Pull it upwards. Boom. So don't forget to remove that because it's going to pop off. So now once you got everything pulled out from the body, route your wires through. Make sure it's not crimping. Now we're going to run the wires on this panel, and we're going to pull out the fuse box cover so we can feed the wires underneath your dash. It's crazy that I have to remove this probably the 20th time, because I was trying to figure out one problem from a previous video. There's only one side that works. Even though I switched the wires, it only works on one side. And I figured the channel of my amp is faulty. For sure. You know what? I'm not going to show you how to disassemble this mess. You can go to this video, because I've done it already, for detailed removal of this. So I'll just give you another time lapse. We're back in the rat's nest, so our cable that we just ran around the car is there. Now here is the reverse in for the Sony XAV-AX3000. So we're just going to tap these two together so that when the reverse light comes on there, it sends the signal here and into the head unit. Do I know what I'm talking about? No. We're going to try to reverse just to see if it actually works. Okay. All right. So everything we need is hooked up, so that's good. We're gonna try to turn it on. Oh God. No video signal? What do you mean? What did I do now? Oh, oh my God, I'm such an idiot. The power wasn't plugged on. I still need to clean up everything. I just want to know if it works. Okay, let's see rear view camera. No video signal. Why? Why? Wait. So I actually figured out why this is not working. Well, boy, I am powering the rear view camera with the reverse wire. So the next step would be powering that rear view camera and a constant 12-volt accessory. So that's the solution. Back to the video. Okay. What if we go reverse? Hey! Nice. All right. So I'll put that on a separate video, I guess. Or maybe when I figure everything out, I'm just gonna tidy up everything, you know, put the wires behind the dash and whatnot. So cool, it works. So a quick review of our aftermarket reverse camera. The picture is actually not that bad. I mean, I'm not really going for 1080p resolution, but this is decent. I mean, it's not like I will always be looking at it, and it's rare, you know. I mean, if I need to back up to a place, all I need to see is, you know, what's underneath my peripheral view, because I can't see anything. See? So from here, I can see the wall of the house, but in here, I can see much about everything. I mean, I can see the front bumper of the Crosstrek right there. So I'll probably do a little bit of adjusting of the lines, or do I want the lines? I mean they're lines, so that's it. You know what? I'll give it a 4 out of 5. It's decent. So that's how you install an aftermarket rear view camera for your 370Z. So if you learned anything from this video, guys, hit the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, which I'm pretty sure you haven't, subscribe now and hit the notification bell so you know when I'm going to be releasing new content for you guys. So I'll see you in the next episode. Take it easy, folks.